Put your hands together for Joe Hertler!
Under heavy weight of winter on a Sunday afternoon, you and me, without how far apart, with nothing else to do. You fetched an extra blanket, brought the bottle to our bed. We watched an awful horror movie, fell asleep before the end. Sometimes love is easy, quilted hilltops, breathing, blue air floating, just feeling. Ether in the space, formless, pure and fleeting, our moment of peace. Though I love the winter, bedding south down by Green River. We woke before the morning, bodies tangled in the sheets. Our kittens were curled and purring. So tell me about your dreams. The stars, they fade and flicker, broken glass upon the snow. Their light ignites your silhouette, a million light years old. Sometimes love is easy, quilted hilltops, breathing, fluid and floating, just feeling. Ether in the space, formless, pure and fleeting, our moment of peace. Though I love the winter, heading south down by Green River. You always were the ones to wonder in the evening. Body set in motionless, your soul will pass the ceiling. You never learned to fly, so I made you a pair of wings. I only know what you tell me, wish I knew what you were feeling. If you forget your way back home, I fucking adore you. I think I adore you. I think I adore you. When I look up the sky at night, I feel bigger than the sun. Oh no, and the stars look down upon me, and I'm high as hell but a little lonely. But at least I'm where I came from. And one night when I watched closely, ooh, a star died in the night. Its ashes spread around me, while the darkest space had found me, and as I disintegrate, I know I'm everything. And I know that I had found out the end. Where their hearts is where life begins. I look for God, but I only heard the wind, and I saw life, and I took flight, and I saw the universe inside, and I saw the universe inside. Between space of two eyes, when I look around me, I see we're all made of stars. Oh no, their eyes will gaze upon me while the carbonate surrounds me, and this time disintegrates. I know I'm everything, and one night I brought my lover. Ooh, when I looked into her eyes, saw the universe expanding while our bodies were quaking and collapsing, and as time disintegrates, I know I'm everything, and I know that I had found the stars in a moment's breath. Though I had made my mark, and I look for God between the paces of your heart, and I found life, and I took flight, and I saw the universe inside, and I saw the universe inside. Between space of two eyes, green ocean sky. It seems the world has long forgotten kindness. It seems the world has left you far behind. Give me your failures, give me your shame. I'll take your fear and your loss, your pain. Give me the people and the places you've left. Give me the darkest, give me the darkest place you've ever been. And I just want to make something beautiful. Amount of snow, we could see the amber roads that ran the length of dawn. You understood scattered words which keep waving neighborhoods and cookie cutter lawns. It seems I best remember the cold and the heat, but I'm slowly forgetting the space in between. I try to hold on, I feel that it's mine, so I built a new house, but the same me still lives inside. And once more, it still looks beautiful. And despite all the changes, the sunlit windows still look the same. And once more, it still looks beautiful and deep. And despite all the changes, the love here, yeah, it still feels the same. And I just want to make something beautiful.